Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a new partition on your SSD or hard drive Windows and by yourself. So yes, how to do this, let's get started. First what you have to do is right click on your start menu and then go over to disk management. Here you'll see that it will open disk management. Now what you have to do is just right click on the drive which you want to take space from. For my case I have C drive. Just check the free space, how much free space you have, so you can extract that free space from your drive. Now just right click on it and then click on shrink volume. Then here what you have to do is you have to calculate the amount which you want to take out from your drive. For my case I'm doing 20,000, so I'll get around 19 GB something. Now just click on shrink, and then once you do this, as you can see I got 19.53 GB. Just right click on this and then click on new simple volume. Then just keep pressing next. You don't have to change anything, just keep pressing next, and in the end just keep pressing finish. Once you do this, as you can see, it will be converted to local disk D and it will be ready to use. So now you can do this on your own, and now you know how to do this. So yeah, this is how you can do this, guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.